Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can create a playlist on Soundcloud. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Soundcloud app on your device. Now, tap on the library icon. After that, you will see a create playlist option. Tap on it. Now, name the playlist and then tap on the save button. After that, select the songs you want to add to the playlist. You can also use the search button to find the song of your choice. To add the songs of your choice from the search icon, tap on the three dot icon again and then select the add to playlist option. After that, you will need to select the playlist in which you want to add the song and repeat the process for every song you want. And that's it guys, this is how you can create a playlist on SoundCloud. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.